Weather with meteorologist Natalie Nunn, certified by Weather Rate for the most accurate forecast in the Ozarks.
Welcome back, everyone. Almost 11:17 on this Monday morning. Happy 2023, everyone. Look at Branson. My goodness, it is a very foggy start across the area, and we're moving into the noon hour, and it's still very foggy out there. I think this could actually help keep some of those thunderstorms suppressed a little bit as we head into the afternoon, and I'll explain why in just a second. Want to talk about visibility? Definitely reduced in Branson, and then out to our east. Our eastern counties like Fort Leonard Wood, still in Springfield, it's looking a little foggy, and into Rolla, West Plains, Eminence, parts of Shannon and Oregon counties, you get the idea, just foggy all across. Look at the current temperatures. Now, we likely will warm up to 70 degrees, but with that dense fog, some places aren't warming up quite as much as others. Fayetteville already at 72, that's not so good. 71 in Harrison and 70 in Mountain Home. I think our greatest threat for severe weather, which we were thinking this, will be in northern Arkansas. I think that the cloud coverage and the fog might help us out just a little bit later today. As you head out, we talked about the morning commute, we've already had that, but your PM commute, we're going to give it a yellow to red light because that's the chance for showers, some stronger storms start to move into our area. For today, temperature-wise, this has come down just a little bit. We're looking low 70s, upper 60s across the area. It will be breezy. For tonight, temperatures right around 50 degrees. We are going to see that chance of rain, maybe severe weather moving through, should move out probably by 1 o'clock. It's gotten a little bit slower, I will say. What we're seeing on our satellite and radar, we're looking at a break in the cloud coverage. However, with that fog, not really seeing any of the sun. This is going to help kind of get those storms energized down to our south as the cloud coverage holds steady over our northern areas, and it helps out just a little bit. Precip chances as we head through the afternoon, we're going to kind of see round 1, little break, round 2, but I do think later this afternoon, 4 or 5 o'clock is when things are going to get ramped up, and then really the best bet of severe weather in Springfield is going to be closer to 7 to 9 p.m. tonight. So it's something we will keep a close eye on as we head throughout the evening hours. Here's what Futurecast shows. 5 p.m. strong storms in that area in northern Arkansas that we were talking about. I think there could be some embedded tornado activity with this. That's a possibility. And then as we head into 9:30, this is what slows down just a little bit. Round 2 starting to form out on I-49, pushing through the Springfield area closer to midnight, and then out of the Ozarks by about 1 a.m. And we are looking at dry conditions as we head in tomorrow. It'll be very calm. For today, they've shifted this just a little bit. We're looking at the enhanced risk of severe weather in Arkansas, south of I-44 to the Arkansas state line, a slight risk, and then a marginal risk the further north you head. Our greatest threat for today will be high winds up to 60 miles per hour and flooding. I think flooding could be a risk. Also, tornadoes cannot be ruled out with this, especially for those southern counties. Forecasted rain, there is a distinct cutoff. I think most of our area will be out of the really heavy rainfall, but I think half of an inch to an inch and a half could be widespread across the area. Here's your 7-day forecast. We are looking at warm temperatures today and tomorrow, and then it's going to feel a bit more like, well, January come Wednesday and Thursday, 41 and 38, but we'll go back to the 50s in no time.
A lot going on here for us, Natalie. Seeing those temperatures change as well for the next few days.
Yes, so just be weather aware today. Our app's very helpful, but once we get past today, it's a very calm stretch after this.
Okay, sounds good. So today is the most important day. Thanks, Natalie.